Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2016 Buick Envision. Connecting your phone to the vehicle via Bluetooth is a relatively hassle-free procedure. The menu's clear instructions and touchscreen interface will allow you to quickly complete this process. Both the oil drain plug and the oil filter are quick to access underneath the vehicle. You won't have to crawl too far back nor remove any large panels in order to reach these parts for an oil change. Both the interior and engine fuse boxes are quick to find with covers that remove without the use of tools. The latter even comes provided with a fuse puller for your convenience. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. The front turn signal on the driver's side of the vehicle has particularly difficult access. You will have to disconnect and completely remove the battery in order to reach the bulb assembly, which will take multiple different tools and a lot of force to remove. The transmission fluid cap is located deep within the engine bay. You will have to make a long and cramped reach past other engine components to remove the cap, and you must take this vehicle into a dealership in order to actually check the fluid level. This vehicle does not come equipped with a traditional spare tire and jack kit, but rather just a compressor kit located underneath the trunk lining. Depending on the severity of your flat, this option may leave you stranded if your tire cannot hold air. Overall, the 2016 Buick Envision is a rather difficult car to maintain, and is only recommended for those with prior knowledge in vehicle maintenance.